World Combat Games is one of the most prestigious, we can say, the event for all the martial arts sports, and almost more than 1400 participants are coming for the World Combat Games, which is going to be held in Riyadh, which is already started. Yesterday was the opening ceremony, and it's a very grand event, I can say. And yes, it's like pleasure for me that I got an opportunity to represent India, and I'm the only one from the India who got selected for this. And like I'm the first female, I can say, from the Asian continent. We two got selected for this World Combat Games.
Madam, कितने दिन तक चलेगा ये tournament and how long will it take?
Sir, it's a 10 days event, but my sport, Jiu-Jitsu, date has already decided, like 24, 25, 26. It's a 3 days event.
So, madam, you are the only Indian official. How many games have you done in the past? First time, is this the first time that you are being an official?
No, sir. Like before that, I got an opportunity to represent India for the SEA Games. That also, like I can say that I was the first Indian who got an opportunity to represent as an Indian official for the SEA Games. And before that, like just now, I participated in World Championship for adults and World Championship for youths. And recently, like in in 22 and 23, I represented India for the Asian Championships also. So like I have, like from last 2 years, I can say that I have been gone through with many prestigious championship, but this is the one of the most biggest event, I can say. So for me, it's a like very big opportunity.
आपका ये जर्नी कहाँ से चालू हुआ? कैसे आपको इस चीज में इंटरेस्ट है?
Sir, when I came to know about this sport Jiu-Jitsu, I went there as a coach to take my team to represent in this sport, but I got very much attracted towards this sport because the rules and the regulation and the nature of this sport is like very neat and clean. Anybody can get attracted towards this sport, Jiu-Jitsu. So then I decided in my mind that okay, if I will not able to continue as a coach or as an athlete because of my marriage and because of my professional career, I'm an assistant professor also. So then I decided that anyhow I have to be in touch with my game. I have to be in touch with my tatamis. So then I got in this idea that okay, if I cannot be continue as an athlete or coach, maybe I can pursue and I can follow my passion as an official. So like after every 2 or 3 months, whenever we have any championship, either in India or at the international level, I used to go and represent my country. So that's how my journey started.
कैसा लगता है आपको इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना? और
so that feeling I cannot express in my words, but yeah, it's very proud full moment for me, even for my family member, even for my friends and my federation people. So it's like the word which I cannot describe in words, but yeah, I feel really very good.
Madam, at a very young age, you have been an athlete, coach, official. So what is your message for other people who may probably, never get an opportunity or want to pursue this field?
We have many doors, I can say. We have several opportunities. Only the thing is that we have to think in that basis. So suppose if I say that, okay, my sports career is almost finished. Okay, due to some reason I cannot be continue as a coach. But there are certain other fields also in games and sport where you can see and where you can pursue, where you can exhilarate yourself. So it's all about grabbing the opportunity and learning with your own mistakes and finding out the solution of the difficulties. So I can say that we have several fields. Only the thing is that we have to see that where is our like area of interest.
Madam, having a career, being married, any obstacles that have come your way?
We have a everyday obstacle, but only the thing is that you have to keep in mind one thing, that okay, if you wanted to do something, then you have to overcome all these stuff. Just a day-to-day life activities. Like I have 3 years of son, I have my in-laws, and I have my own job. So it's very difficult, but I have my family support. I have a good backups, I have good teachers, I have good family members. So they are always there for support me.
Being a mother and a wife has not stopped you?
Yes, because they are always behind me to push me to do whatever I can do to follow my passion, to fulfill my dreams, and yes, to make them proud of course.
Thank you. All the very best.
Thank you so much, sir.